Good day, fam. My name is Chidozen Zeka, your regular host on this channel. I welcome you to my channel, Money Waste TV. Today, I'm bringing you yet another captivating, educative, and informative video on production of tooth powder or dental powder as others will call it. Tooth powder is an alternative to toothpaste. It has the special power to clean your teeth even brighter than your regular toothpaste. It removes stains like tobacco stains and tooth decay. It removes bad breath and mouth odor and makes your teeth strong and healthy. Sit back, relax, and watch till the end so you can continue to break out of the chains of unemployment. Remember to like, share, and subscribe my video so that the YouTube algorithm will be able to recommend it to people that are interested or searching for something like this. Thank you. We are going to be using calcium carbonate, normally called calcium. See as white as it is. We are also going to be using SLS 90 gram. The calcium carbonate is 3 kg. We are going to be using 90 gram of SLS. We are going to be using peppermint oil to taste. We are also going to be using sodium bicarbonate, also called baking soda. We are going to be using sweetener, which is what you have seen on my screen. And I have displayed the exact quantity that we are going to be using against each other. Firstly, we are going to grind or smoothen the SLS. You know, SLS has two types. You can always buy the one that is in powdered form, but that one is very expensive. You may not make enough profit at the end of the day. So it is wise to use the one that is like rice, that is grain in nature. Then you grind it the way I have done on this video. After grinding it, you add it to the required amount of calcium carbonate, which is 3 kg. You add the sweetener also, as I'm doing on my screen, as you can see. Then you will also add the sodium bicarbonate, which is the baking soda. Then you add your peppermint oil to taste, and all this you now blend thoroughly. If you are using machinery, you know this is what machine can also do, but because we are doing it a smaller scale, you can always have it done with your palms. You blend it very well, very well. Let every ingredient be evenly distributed. And here we go, we are done with the blending. Then we start to introduce it into the leather bag, into the nylon that we are going to this is the packaging now going on. The required quantity that you want to sell per carton, we start to, if you are using a bigger process, that's a packaging machine, you can always use your laminate to sachet this, but since we are doing it in a small scale, this is how we're going to be using it. We tie it at the end of the day. So we now start tying it so that it will be airtight, because the peppermint might evaporate in due time. So by you tightening it very well, you have secured the aroma. cut the unused parts of the nylon. This is a simple technique. This is a simple process. Dental powder is one of the simplest things that you can do and generate money from doing it. Now this is a C90 cup. In case you want to ask for the name in the market, we call this cup C90. That's the size. Put all the nylon containing the powder into the C90 cups and cover tightly. Like I said, the product has an aromatic aroma, so you wouldn't want it to evaporate in due time before it gets to the customer that is going to be using it. And the aroma is coming from the sweetener and the peppermint oil. Now we start to do our labeling. Like I told you, this is what we do. This is we run this in a bigger scale. Is what we do as for living. You understand? So doing this video is just an easy thing for me because I'm only teaching you what works. You can see that we already have our label that we use, so I'm trying to do this process so that you can see from the beginning to the finishing how it will come out to be. Please like and share, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can roll out more educative content like this. It will encourage me to do more. That is all what you can do for me. Please and please try to like. Just go now and hit the subscription button. Please do that for me now. Thank you for doing that. Like, share to people that you know may need this video, and also if you have any comments you can do as well as commenting on my comment section. I will do justice to that as soon as possible. In case there is anything you don't understand, let me know. I will address the matter for you. If you need one-on-one training, you can call the number on the screen. We will arrange a schedule, maybe online and or offline training. Yeah, this is the final packaging. I made a video on final packaging. You can as well watch the video. It is somewhere on the screen. Watch the video and you see how to do final packaging. Now we are going to be using we're going to be packing it into 6 in a pack and seal it up for sale. Dental powder business is a lucrative business. We have major brands in the market like Agnes Mama, Triumph, and a whole lot of them. This dental powder will help you to cleansing your teeth. Any teeth related issues, it works for it. Dental problems, bleeding gums, mouth odor, and what have you. Yeah, this is how it comes out to be. Packing it 6/6. Normally 6 like this. The production cost is not more than 200 naira to do the 6 like this. We do sell it 500, but if you are selling it in retail, we sell each one 250 or 300 as the case may be, based on the brand. As a new brand, you will be trying to sell within 200 250 per one. So a pack like this goes for like 500 naira per one, or more than. Sorry, it's more than. If you have it to 250, you are having about 1. Yes, I'm talking about wholesale. You can sell the pack at 500 or 600 wholesales. So thank you for watching to the end, and see you in another video that I'll be making very soon. Thank you and God bless you.